Okay, so let's say I have two shapes that I want to combine into one solid shape. This can be used for a ton of different things. You can use it to create puzzles. You can use it to create some overlapping things. I'm going to just start with making this shape here. So I've got two different boxes, and I have a bunch of options that are going to pop up when I drag to select both of them. And they're going to show up over here in the Pathfinder tool. If you don't see it in the Properties tab, you can always go up to Window and go down here to the Pathfinder menu, and that'll bring up a little pop-up window. But I have it over here, so I don't need it. So there's a bunch of different choices, and these pictures show you exactly what each choice is going to do. So this one is called Click to Unite. Whenever I click on it, it's going to outline both shapes. So now that's a solid shape that creates kind of a bow tie look to it. Okay. So next, I'm going to try this Click to Minus Front. Now, this one doesn't always work, but you can see it erases all of the things that are in front. So if I know that this is in front, I know this is going to be erased, but I can right-click on the back one, go to Arrange, bring that to the front, and now that one's going to disappear. So it's not based on the picture, it's based on the information that you have on your artboard. And if you can see the outlines of both of your squares, it probably means that instead of a fill over here, you have no fill. So usually I like to work with no fill whenever I'm moving shapes around, except in this situation because it makes it harder for me to see what is going to happen. So I will sometimes just change my boxes to having some really crazy colors, so I know exactly which one's on top and exactly which one's on bottom. So the next one we're going to do is this Click to Intersect. So that's going to find just the center. And generally, it will use the top color, the front color, to color your entire shape. So then the last one we're going to use is this Click to Exclude. So this one is really interesting. These are grouped together, but you have two options if you want to ungroup them. You can go over here to Ungroup, or you can go to the Direct Selection tool and physically move these apart. And then they're grouped together, but they're separated out, and you can use that for different things. So that's how you use the Pathfinder tool to kind of manipulate shapes into new shapes.